We're here today at Mills Toohey. Mills Toohey are designers and manufacturers of heavy specialised vehicles. Today we'll be fitting a Couplertec 8Com commercial system, which is part of our commercial heavy duty product range, to a Hino 500 series truck. It is a GT model, which is an 8-tonne flatbed truck. We'll be putting 8 couplers on the Hino, 6 will be on the chassis rail and 2 will be on the cabin. Let's get started. There aren't a whole lot of tools required for fitting a Couplertec heavy duty commercial system. Basic tools are a set of wire strippers, wire crimpers, side cutters, spanners, a torch or a heat gun and drills. That's basically all you need for the installation. Every vehicle is different. With this particular Hino, we're running the wires through the opening in the chassis rail. We'll be running them up along the inside of the rail and connecting them to the existing wiring loom with cable ties and coming out and attaching to the battery here. This is the 8Com system we are fitting to the Hino today. The 8 coupler system will be attached in this area here on the chassis rail. For ease of installation, locate the Couplertec module near the vehicle's main start battery. Using self-tapping screws, firmly secure the module to the vehicle. If you are unable to install a module near the battery, the red and black wires can be extended using simple butt connectors. Firmly secure all wiring to existing cables using cable ties, avoiding any moving parts or areas that are exposed to extreme heat. Make sure the fuse has been removed and connect the fuse holder ring terminal to positive terminal of the battery. Connect the black wire to the battery's negative terminal. Connect red wire from the module to the fuse holder using a butt connector. Do not insert the fuse as this will be done at the end of the installation. The next stage of the installation of the commercial system on the Hino is the coupler placements. What we have is 8 couplers on the Hino. We'll have 2 down one end of the chassis rails, we'll have 2 up the other end, we'll have 2 in the middle and obviously 2 on the cab as well. It is important when finding a position for the couplings that the surface has no imperfections such as weld splatter, weld tips, holes or indentations. If there are such things as weld splatter and weld tips, they must be sanded off and repainted. Also, the surface must be very clean. I use mineral terps to clean the surfaces and it gets most grime off any surface.
Couplers must be fixed to a flat, smooth, clean, painted surface with no holes, weld spots or indentations, using split loom to help keep all wires tidy and secure. We are connecting the coupler using a heat shrink butt connector as a watertight connection. Ensure the surface is perfectly clean using the supplied alcohol swab prior to fixing the coupler firmly to the painted area. When extending wiring to couplers, it is recommended to use a 4mm double insulated auto cable. A commercial 8-coupler system suited this size vehicle. There are 6 couplers evenly spaced on the chassis rail and 2 couplers on the cabin. Bigger vehicles may require our larger 10 or 12 coupler systems. Installation in this case would be exactly the same, fixing 2 couplers on the cabin and the remainder spread evenly down the chassis rails. When selecting the coupler positions, evenly space them around the vehicle whilst maintaining a recommended distance of 1.5 metres apart where possible. Completely seal over all couplers with a neutral cure silicone or Sikaflex to stop any moisture or dirt getting underneath the couplers.
With each Couplertec commercial application, there are 2 earths. With the earths, they must be attached to the body at the opposite extremities of the vehicle, using a self-tapping screw.
Extend both the green and the green with yellow strip earth wires to reach appropriate earth points on the vehicle. Refer to printed fitting instructions for more detailed information. Finally, install a 2-amp mini blade fuse to the fuse holder.
So there you go, we've finished. The Couplertec heavy duty 8-com system is fitted to the Hino. The green light's flashing and it's now protected from rust and corrosion.